What is going on, guys? I'm super excited today because I get to bring you the top 5 projects on my NFT list. Now, if you're new to this channel, this is what we do. We bring projects straight to you, but not without a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I'm getting this stuff on your radar so we can have fun and hopefully make a little bit of money. Let's roll in at number 1. Rolling in really well is number 1. It's the Possessed. Okay, it's PSSSSD.xyz, and you can see here why I love this as my number 1. It's incredible. You can see the brain popping off, the eyes turning, all different kinds. Okay, it's an innovative NFT developed by PSSSSD Labs to enhance your creativity. Outbreak started on June the 30th. Okay, you can buy it on OpenSea right now. It's incredible how big the momentum of this is going. So rewake your creativity. We have the community, we have the collaboration, super interesting. Go to the FAQs, what is Possessed? It'll tell you all about it, and contained outbreak of 10,000 animated NFTs. What do I get with the NFTs? It's going to include a fully animated character with 2 static, 1 of each state, blessed and possessed. When did the Possessed mint? They did mint on June the 30th, and the reason I put this as number 1 and I want to show you it now is because there is new information come out and the hype has started to raise. So it's raising more now than when the actual mint happened. So today's the day that you would want to get in on this project. It's incredible. You can see the team at the bottom and a little sneak peek of the avatars. Really incredible. Click their links here. I'll quickly show you the Twitter. This is their Twitter, 230,100. Okay, they sold out in 7 minutes. It's incredible. The engagement's mental. But like I said, I'm telling you as a top tip, you want to get involved right now because there's something about to happen. It's about to blow up. So give them a follow. Let them know you're from this channel, and let's get on to number 2. Guys, number 2 on that list is kalaklub. Now, the official Twitter is at kalaklub_. You need to click on all the links. Only use trusted links down below. They've got 44.8 thousand followers. Their Discord link right here, and their Medium that you can read about them. Now, there is something going on if you want to get in on the mint, which is happening right now. This is why I'm bringing it to you. They'll take a snapshot, and 50 mystery boxes airdrop are going to be given away. So please get involved. Give them a follow. Let them know you're from this channel. Looking at the artwork now, you can actually see it's super cool. It's these sort of Mexican skull heads. You can actually see I have one on my arm. Super cool. This is why I'm so into this. The public mint is happening right now for 0.45 Sol. This is a Solana based NFT. Super cool. I recommend using Phantom, which is I've connected with at the top, and you will just click mint and get involved. Let me know in the comments if you do get involved. There's going to be 4,500 total items on the Solana blockchain. Like I've said, each kalaklub allows you to earn STEKILA, which is their token, from staking, which you can use to purchase bids and participate in the kalaklub auctions. Kalaklub is not just an NFT, but a real financial asset that guarantees you passive income. Please click all their social links on here. The links will be down below, and I'll see you at number 3. Guys, number 3 on my list is an incredible project that's gathering so much hype. It's soulsgalaxy.io. Now, the person behind this is the one and only Sia. She's an incredible artist, done some incredible things, sold millions of dollars worth of albums. So you know the hype is going to be right. It's by Sia and Dor, as you can see there. Okay, it's on Ethereum. You know the biggest ones are on Ethereum, even though we like to mix it up with Sol now. And it's got 10,000 interactive beings. Scrolling down, it is ending the sale in 1 day and 13 hours. Okay, there's only 6,114 left of the 10,000. All souls are being born with unique color, voices, and personalities. Every soul is an active life form that expresses feelings with sound and movement. The Souls community will help Sia create new music and make an impact with the cause of the project. Each soul has a unique emotional profile with our FAQ to learn more about the attributes governing each soul's behavior. The socials are at the bottom, so please click them. Only use the links trusted below. If you click on mint details, it's going to take you here, okay, and you can actually hit this and register for the mint. So it's July the 1st by 6 p.m. Okay, it's the raffle. The mint price is 0.12345 ETH, and it started on July the 12th, but it's still going. There's still half left. The mint window is July the 12th to July the 13th. The wait list mint window, if supply lasts, is July 13th to July 13th, 5:59, and the public mint, which is what we are after, is July the 13th, 6 p.m., which has happened until sold out. A percentage of the mint proceeds will be allocated towards cause projects relevant at a later date. So that's all you need to know. There's 10,000. Okay, you are going to get involved. Please get involved. Now let me just quickly show you the Twitter. So you've got the official one. It is at souls_galaxy. Hit that follow. It's got its tick, and it's getting some crazy hype. Okay, they're doing a lot of these videos showing you what can happen with the little souls. So please get involved. Let you know from this channel, and I am going to take you straight to project number 4. 4. Now, guys, number 4 is probably the biggest one that I can shout out. It is running out. It is the Nickelodeon. Okay, so mint.nickelodeon.wtf. It is 2 of the Nickelodeon's favorite shows, Hey Arnold and Rugrats, put into one NFT collection. All you gotta do is click connect on this site and connect your MetaMask wallet. Once you've connected, you can see you can just click as many as you want to buy and buy it, okay? This is incredible. It costs 0.069 ETH, which is working out nearly $50 right now. Here's the official contract address. This is going to be huge, I promise you, right? You can join their Discord and follow their Twitter. Let's have a little look at their Twitter right now. It's at Nickelodeon_NFT. They have 29,700 followers. They've got their tick, and they're showing you a bit of the Rugrats, and the engagement is massive. Okay, $50 price, 10,000 supply, drop in July the 19th. It is live, it is running out. You need to get involved. It's from Rugrats and Hey Arnold. I can't say much more than Nickelodeon made my childhood, and it's now maybe gonna make my adulthood and all of yours very, very wealthy. So let's get it. Give them a follow. Nickelodeon NFT, number 4. Let's go. Now, last but not least, number 5, it is the Sovereign project, thesovereign.co. Okay, super cool website. Probably the best website I've ever had the pleasure of looking at. Now, it's a premium 3D collectible of NFT of chess enthusiasts. Okay, there's 10,000 of them. You can stake the prawns to upgrade them to sovereigns using the SQRE token. It's their native token and never before seen utilities and rewards. Look at the detail in this. Okay, look at the detail you've got in the king and everything else. I'm going to show you more as we get on. The art is obviously inspired by chess. It's 10,000 pawns, 1,250 kings. Queens the same, bishops 2,500, and same with the rooks and the knights. You can see a little preview here. If you just click on them, you actually get an in detail. Look at the queen. This is incredible. The artwork here is ridiculous, honestly, and you can just drag this across and have a look at others. It's amazing. The artwork here is ridiculous. So guys, going deep into their utilities now, we have the sovereign funds, which you get 50% off merchandise sales and 25% off the royalty revenue. We have the pawn and staking, which is massive, all right? So when you pawn a stake your pawn, you will earn 10 SQRE, which is their native token, every single day. If you pawn a sovereign, you can earn 25 to 35 of that token every single day. So they have the staking rewards that are unbeatable when you read them out like that, okay? Then you also have the upgrade section. So prawns can be upgraded to sovereigns with 1,000 of the token. The prawns will be randomly promoted to any one of the 5 sovereigns, king, queen, rookie, knight, or bishop. 10,000 prawns will be converted into 1250 kings or 1250 queens, or again, 2,500 rooks, knights, or bishops. Moving on, we got the market. So in sovereigns, market holders can use the SPL token. It can be used to purchase established blue chip NFTs, whitelist spots, access to NFT tools, events, and passes. We then have the merchandise, which most projects are bringing out now. They've got high quality merch with chess setup 3D printing technology, so you can actually get 50% off the merch revenue and it'll be moved to the sovereign fund. The chess utilities, you're going to get the stand to win, the chess app, event tickets, much more, maybe even a match with icons of the chess game, events, community, and Project Red is massive. That Sovereign's next project code named Red can be minted using the token as well. And now are you ready for why I said this website is already showing how good this project is about to be? Look at the roadmap. As you scroll down, it actually takes you through a journey. So the mint and reveal, into the pawning, trade and sovereigns, to the sovereigns market, the IRL events, and Project Red. Project Red's going to be incredible. I'm going to talk more about that in just a second. This is incredible. What I want to show you is when it's to be mint is TBA. So we don't actually know, but I wanted to say that because the hype is so big without a date. That means this is incredible. Okay, like I said, there's 10,000. It's going to be on we don't know yet, which is another secret of how the hype has got here, and we don't even know what we are on yet. Where can I mint? We don't know. So that what I'm trying to get at, guys, is there's a lot of this we do not know yet, right? But it's hyping up so big that we need to get involved. I'm going to go over to the Twitter, 124,600 followers. What did I just tell you? We don't even know yet. And the hype is insane. The links will be down below. Please only use the trusted links. You get 5 whitelist spots, giveaways on their Twitter. So please get in, join the interaction, give them a follow, let them know you're from this channel. Blessed day from me, but trust me, someone where we don't know when the mint is, we don't even know what chain it's on, and it's still got 124,000+ followers, is going to blow the NFT market away. So guys, there you have it, my top 5. They were in no order at all, but I'm telling you, this is going to be the best 5 that you can either get involved with or start getting involved with, or you don't even know when it's getting involved, but get it on your radar and join their socials. If you love this, hit the like button. If you enjoyed it so much you can't explain it, hit the subscribe button, knock that bell if you want notified, and from me, have a very blessed day.